So what we're doing is we're watching a live trade on GameStar Exchange. Here's the updated UI. The user experience has been improved to make it easier for you to understand exactly how to use the platform, whether you're buying or selling. So we've got two different users connected right now, and one is creating an ad. They're considering what type of profit they wish to make. They're also going through the minimum order that they're willing to accept, as well as the maximum order that they're willing to accept. Now, of course, you set the price. So determining the margin essentially will help you to understand how much you're going to gain or lose. So perhaps you want to offer a discount. When creating an ad, you can set terms. So the user here creates the terms for their ad, and there you go, places the ad. Just to quickly confirm, check the marketplace, your ad is definitely going to be there. As you see, the user's ad is definitely available. Now from the other user, somebody who's looking to find an offer. Here we have the user looking to get some BUSD. So what they're going to do is they're going to trade some type of game item or some type of gift card or some type of NFT in exchange for some BUSD. And right here we can see the terms, the price, the limit, how much is actually available to still buy or sell. So the user must determine, I'm going to buy something between $10 USD and perhaps $50 USD. So you must remember to connect your wallet. Of course, this demo is done in MetaMask. So there we go. You click buy, and now the user has a short amount of time to actually confirm that they've paid and make any type of transfer that may be necessary, whether it's e-codes or physical cards, perhaps some type of crypto or an NFT, for example. Now the user has to join the encrypted chat to actually transfer the data. So in this case, we're looking to transfer Amazon gift card e-codes. Again, this is a testnet demo. GameStar Exchange is live on mainnet, so it's definitely usable. We just want to show you some of the recent updates and changes to the flow. So now back to the other user. This is the merchant again. They can confirm that now they have actually an unpaid balance here. There's an order. So they can check their history. They can check the chat. In this case, the user can confirm the balance of that particular gift card. And in the encrypted chat, this is where you and the buyer or you and the merchant have a chance to really come to terms and make this a great peer-to-peer experience. The user has confirmed on their own the balance on the other side. So the customer now has confirmed payment. So they've already transferred the e-codes for the gift card. That is their way of saying, I have paid. And now here we go. The merchant takes a look just to confirm, and they're going to send the funds. They've confirmed that the balance of the gift card is correct. Now they're comfortable sending the funds. So in this case, they're sending BUSD. This must be done through your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, and we wait for the confirmation. Of course, we copy the transaction ID. You can find that in your MetaMask wallet, or you can open it up on the Explorer and take a look for yourself. Now the merchant is going to copy and paste the transaction ID into the GameStar app. And the merchant has marked the order as paid. So here we are. This is from the customer side. They're completely fine. They can now go back and check the transaction, check their wallet balance to ensure that they got the funds. The transaction ID is right here. All we need to do is click it to open it up right in the Explorer, or we can copy and paste it as we wish. And there you have it. You can see that the funds were transferred and the merchant as well as the customer are satisfied. So now, of course, just to finalize, the customer then goes and clicks confirm payment and ensures that, yes, they have received payment, because at this point in time, it's on you to make the right decision. Have you received payment? Yes, absolutely. Go ahead and click OK. And there you have it, your first trade on GameStar Exchange.